Om Namah Shivaya. You are seeing extremely rarest collection of conches in the planet. One tail to four tail, extremely unbelievable collection. Here you are seeing the four tail. You can say this conch having four tail. One, two, three, four. Four tail. Unbelievable collection. And yes, this conch is having three tail. One, two, three. Bottom. Yeah. One, two, and three tail. Totally unbelievable collection, and having the opening like a fish, and this conch having two distinct tail, and looking like a Lord Ganesh. It is a single tail common conch, we all know. One one tail, two tail, three tail, four tail, extreme unbelievable collection. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. This is most rarest collection in the planet. Four tail, and it is impossible collection. So you can see like one, two, three, and four distinguished tail in this conch. Totally unbelievable collection from the Indian Ocean. One tail to four tail, extremely rarest collection in the planet from Indian Ocean. It's a treasure of the ocean. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya.